Well, folks, with ROKU being down $32 as I'm taping this, ROKU is the stock of the day. Hey guys, if you'd like to talk about stocks and all things money, sign up to my channel, moneyme. I appreciate the support. Like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Know when you're right, but you're wrong at the wrong time? That was me. Look at the video dated February the 9th, 2021. It really ruined my year, and I had shorted ROKU several times, and let's listen a little bit more, and then we'll get into the details. Look at the thumbnail. Welcome to moneyme. I was trying to record this a couple minutes ago, and the phone kept ringing. So let's take two here. So I have to have something to laugh about, because as you can see by the title, the down $8,000 on selling short ROKU is really hurting me. And man, and if you look at the thumbnail, I was going to make this video a day or two ago, down a little over 5,000, and the stock is up as we speak at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, up 9.5% today. So I don't know what I got wrong, but man, in this crazy market today, and you know, I follow people on Twitter, and you know, really tried to look into. I don't make mistakes generally this big. I mean, have I bought in stocks that I've sold too early, and yes, they've run, or I shorted Apple last year when COVID broke? They happen. Let's make the chart bigger here. All right, here's the ROKU chart. I mean, this is a daily chart since last June, and we're gonna dig. I mean, look at today. I mean, the stock was at 4. It was actually down some, and I actually had a small position of 420 puts, because here we are looking like we're finally gonna get some. Yesterday, some pullback, and yeah, we had a 5-point pullback, and it's been, you know, I mean, today it's just a beast, it's just a monster. So I mean, look at this. Don't make streaming boxes, dude. Their platforms are 50%, you know. Don't trust you, you know, basically, I'm an idiot, I shouldn't short that stock. Dude, please never short ROKU. This is exactly like being, you know, they're buying. And now we're going to get into the chart. There's ROKU. Down, and let me give you guys a clue. Let me, that stock is down today almost. It is at this time of recording $32. That's why ROKU is the stock of the day. But I'm not in it this time because I got burnt so much with this stock. Let's go back and look. I mean, look at this stock. I shorted approximately in the 270 area. Watched it, I shorted more at 320, and I almost thought we were right here, and I'm going to look at this, and I'm going to talk about this. This is the stock of the day, folks, and I want to thank you guys for being here with moneyme. My name is Pat Dees. I appreciate the support. If you guys could like and subscribe, and hey, down in the description below, I have a WEBULL account. Okay, looking at the chart as we dig into it, I had basically shorted it 220, 270, like 310, and honestly, the pain was tremendous. I mean, I thought I was going to get it back in February. I thought here I was good. If you see here, we were, and we had a brief moment here. Well, yeah, here's the February chart, and no, I finally got to the point where I covered it. I took basically at that position. I took a little bit, like a $9,000 loss. But I think I had bought some puts or something roughly. So I have an $8,000 ROKU lost for the year. And no lie, I mean, it's just amazing the timing sometimes. I mean, look at this. 486.72. February 16th, and this had been a long, really, because I had started short, and like I said, in the two, I basically held this short position for roughly 6-7 weeks, and there's 600, 500, 550. I just and what terrible timing for me to finally get out, because then it dropped down to 315, and I pretty much would have broke even. And it even dropped further down to 296. I would have made slight money, but I mean, look at this, sideways, and again, it had pretty much bottomed out here on 267 around May the 6th, and went right back up. It hit 491. Boy, I mean, look at that. I mean, pretty much a double top, and yeah, look at that. Look at that. A double top there. And now today, and it had been trading sideways in the 300, 330 range for the past couple months, really the past 2 months. Well, today, and let's look at the news. I mean, one analyst has the power. ROKU stock plunges after downgrade. Estimates are just too damn high, he says. Shares of ROKU are getting plummeted Wednesday when Michael Nathason's wrote. So one guy lowered the target from 330 to 220, and the stock is down that much today, to the point $1,000. And I was looking at, I was going to buy 350 calls this morning when the market opened, and I bid $1.20. They were at $1.40. Then it was $1.70, $1.80, $1.90, and it was like, wow, okay, let's see what happens, because by then it had already been down about 19, 20 bucks, and well, I wish I would have bought those still, even at $1.90, because as I speak here, they're approximately $6.50. And let me give you a clue. $1,000 yesterday into 250 puts would be worth $46,000 right now as we speak. I mean, that's just amazing. 1,000 into 46,000 in one day, just on the 250 puts. I mean, just on the time. These are the ones that expired this Friday. To be clear, let's look. Oh, let's look at them. Let's 250 puts. They're at 935 right now. I mean, 4,000. Well, yeah. Here's something I just realized I can do on WEBULL desktop. Yeah. So 1,000 into 250 puts would be worth close to 49,000. When I looked at it about a half an hour ago, because that was the stock has even dropped even more just in the last half hour, but they were 460. So that would have, so 1,000 into 49,000. I mean, that's the power sometimes of options. Even on a 260 call, 1,000 into 29,000. Pretty much the 250, the 245, and the 240 calls, those three strike prices are pretty much, you've gotten basically an average $50,000. It would have been a 50,000 into $50,000 return, which is simply just amazing. But even the 270s, I mean, but you had to pay up for those. Well, no, not really. You had to pay a dollar sum. So I don't know if we can get into the details here on this. This is the WEBULL desktop. But yeah, look at that, 923, to open at 82 cents. I was trying to buy it at $1.20, and like I said, it went to $1.90 so fast that man, I'm still kicking myself that would, even at $1.90, would have been a great. But I had got myself in another position on a stock, and stocks are not doing that great today. Follow up to my yesterday video, Tesla is up today. 1,079, and let's touch base on that real quick. At 1,079, let's see where let's see the 1,100 calls. Yeah, the 1,100 calls are up 70%, 65%. So, but obviously those could expire worthless because we haven't even hit the price yet. So, all right, hey guys, if you're interested in trading you know, you want to follow me and just kind of talk about stocks, options, chat. I am not a licensed professional broker. I do this in a sense for entertainment purposes. What's that being said, I'm not licensed, but I do take positions and do take trades. And as you can see, go back and look at my video from February. I took a beating on ROKU. I lost money on ROKU, and right now, as you can see here, here's some of the positions that we're following or are in, and several. Actually, I got into Beyond Meat today, and I might be ahead on those. I think I got next week's 80s. Let me see. Yeah, they're up. No, I might have got 82s. I think I did. I think I got 82s. Let me double check before here, so I'm just being honest, not misleading anybody, because I don't want to do that. I don't want to. And let me double check my orders and Beyond. Yeah, I got in at 95 cents next week's 80 puts, and they're at $1.60 already. So I've already made money on those. I wanted to get in at ROKU. Yeah, I had a limit of $1.20. They are now trading at $8.85. Man, those missed opportunities. Airbnb looked like it was breaking out, and that just fell back in. So a lot of stocks are fake today. Some are running up, but they're just generally falling apart. So ROKU is the stock of the day. Let's look real quick how it's affecting FUBO. I'm in FUBO, and FUBO's down 3%. And if anyone doesn't know ROKU is, they are the people that make those, you know, the hardware, and obviously, you know, maybe people think of them as software, but the devices that you can streaming services on your television. They even have their own stuff that they're doing now, movies and deals that they've worked. They recently had bought a company where it was going to help them offer more movies and stuff like that. So hey, again, appreciate the support, and I am doing more of these videos on moneyme, and you guys have an excellent day, and go make some money.